Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and welcome to the channel. Today we are doing a giveaway. We haven't done a giveaway for a pretty long time, but I think you're gonna be pretty happy with this one. SkyZone SKY02X FPV goggles, the new one's out. I haven't even reviewed them yet, but I got authorization from a collaborator to give these away. And I'm also giving away, check it out, the new Tinyhawk S. This little guy, you may have seen this one. I'm under review of it, and I actually got two of them, so I'm going to give one away. This one's coming directly from me. I'm going to send this one to you directly. And this one, these goggles, are actually coming directly from a sponsor. So they're going to ship this to you directly, whoever the winner is. So all you need to do is down in the description, go ahead and check out what the requirements are. And of course, like the video, subscribe. This is a subscriber giveaway, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Right, Sinai? We always have a couple of requirements. And the actual giveaway that's just for these goggles is a separate link down in the description, and you're going to have to enter at that link, and they have some special requirements. But to win this Tinyhawk S, you're going to just need to be a subscriber and, you know, like the video and comment. So it's going to be kind of a two giveaway in one. Again, this one's coming directly from me, and that one is coming from a sponsor. Anyway, guys, review on both of these are actually coming up, but we're giving this away to you, so I hope you enjoy it. Again, don't forget to do the stuff down in the descriptions down there on how to enter this. And we will see you in the next video. Lots more to come. It's summertime here in Hawaii, and as you know, we got a boat and we're doing some cool aqua stuff. So I hope we can bring you along with us on those adventures. Didn't we just test that little scooter, water scooter?
Yeah.
That was pretty cool out in the water. We got some turtle footage, and that was fun. This fun family stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next giveaway. Good luck, and I hope you guys win. Say hello to Paukea. Paukena. It's a little half tabby, half Persian, because unfortunately our one-eyed Popoki cat named Pokey, the white one, he ran away and we can't find him. He's been missing for over a month. So we got little Paukena. And in Hawaiian, Paukena means pumpkin. As you can see, he's a little ginger guy. So he's only about 8 weeks old, but he's going to be our new kitty. And we're going to possibly try to have him in some more of our videos. So what would you like to do more of on the channel to have more fun with Dad?
Cars and trucks.
Cars and trucks. Okay. So Sanaya wants to do more RC car and truck driving. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
Bye.
See you in the next one. No, 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 no.